Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen, and I have for you another clothing subscription box today. And this is going along with the every month trying a different clothing subscription service and seeing which one has the best clothes and can provide me with clothes that fit me and that I love. On the first try, the first month, no trying time and time again and seeing how they, and letting their computers do it. I want to see if they can provide me with clothes the very first time around. And yes, so today I have for you Amazon Prime Wardrobe. Now I know what you might be thinking. It's not solely a clothing subscription service. No. Amazon is not at all what you would think of if you think subscription service. But they do have Prime Wardrobe, so if you are a Amazon Prime member, one of the many Prime services that they provide is Prime Wardrobe, and you can select up to 8 different items, and you select 8 different items that you check out, they get shipped to you, free shipping, and then you have 7 days to try them. And if you like any of the items, then you keep them and you pay for them. If you don't like them, you just put them back in the envelope. I believe there's an envelope in here, and you mail it back to Amazon. So that part is very similar to many other subscription services where you get the clothes, you have a certain amount of days to try them on, pay for what you keep, return what you don't like, that sort of thing. That is all very, very similar. So when you go on to Amazon, at least on my phone, I haven't done it on the computer, but when you go on to Amazon as a Prime member, under the different categories, you can click on like the clothing, jewelry, whatever category, and then it has like a list of, men's, women's, boys, girls, whatever, like the different subcategories. Underneath all those is Prime Wardrobe. I think it says Prime Wardrobe, or it's just Wardrobe. And you click on that, and that takes you to a whole new page where you can again choose if you're looking for men's, women's, boys, girls, babies. You click on what you're looking for. And so for me, I clicked on the women's, and then you have your clothes, you have shoes, jewelry, petite, plus size, and there's a 6th one. I can't remember what the 6th one is, but you have 6 different categories to choose from. You can get similar items, similar styles, or you can get a wide variety. You can get a whole entire outfit to try. Enough about that. Let's get into this big ol' hefty box. So inside the box we have our Prime Wardrobe Try Before You Buy packet, and it just tells you like how it works and how to return the items and a return label. So let's start with the thing on top. Each item is individually wrapped in its own plastic bag. These are CoverGirl and Power Your Style. Green dress. And this is a Calvin Klein dress. I love the little gathering on the side. I thought it was beautiful. These are from the brand Rebel. Yes, Rebel. And they are very stretchy. And you've got 2 zippered pockets on the right side and 1 on the left side. By zippered pockets, I mean they don't even open. Wait, yes they do. Top one doesn't open. Okay, well the top one's not opening. The bottom one's opening, but it's just, there's nothing there. There's no pocket. Nothing. It's just zipper decoration, literally, on here. And this is like a olive green color. and I think it's supposed to be about a knee length type of dress, and the bottom kind of scoops up on it. It is a very summery picture, and I love this color. It's in that like mint green, like a pale pastel green color. Very summery. And this is just black on there. And then the back is like a racer back type of back, but it's got that like ruching along there. So that's why I wanted to get it to try it. It is a very thin material. You can't see through it, but holding it up to the light, I can see my hand through it. It's a top. Now I remember. And by 9 West. And it's got a cute little decoration here. There's little cutouts, and then it's like, you know, draped over the top. Very simple, but pretty, I think. This is by 28 Palms. And they had a variety of different prints that you could get. It's got, the collar is one that comes up real close to the base of your neck, and it's very thin, and then it's sleeveless, and the back has these 2 straps on it, and pretty salmon color with the palm fronds, very light flowy fabric, and very summery type of a dress. Last but not least, what would an outfit be without shoes? These are from Rockport. Here they are. They're very, kind of like the old saddle shoe design on them, except they're all just plain black. And let's try them on and see how it goes. So the first item we're going to talk about are these pants. These jeans are more, I guess they're kind of more like jeggings. They're a lot stretchier than your normal, typical jeans, I guess you would say. But I really like how they fit. They fit nice up here. They are a little tight in the thighs, which I do have a problem with that because girls got some big thighs. And then the legs on them. I did roll one side up, and then the other side I left long. It does come down to a little past my ankle bone, my natural heel, so if you are short, that might affect you. And they're not like the skinny, tight all the way down at the ankle. They do kind of go straight down from like the lower calf down to the ankle. It does have a little bit of room down there. And then this side I cuffed a little bit just to give it a little bit higher, different look. I don't know if that's the thing. I'm not a very stylish person. But anyhow, yeah, they are quite comfortable, and so far I'm enjoying them. They're not riding down or anything. They're staying put, so that's nice. Next, I also have the shoes on. I'm probably gonna wear them with every outfit because, well, hey, why not, right? They are the most comfortable pair of shoes I've ever tried on. The insole on the inside is so squishy and soft, and they're just, the arch supports, it's all in the right spot. And it's not like a super high heel, so it's not, you know, I don't know. But it's very, very comfortable. And then last is this top. This top has 2 layers to it. The bottom layer is thinner, more mesh netting type of layer. It's very see-through. And then you have the top layer, and it has a little keyhole right here. When I was showing it to you, I couldn't see the keyhole, but once I put it on, you can definitely just a tiny bit see the keyhole, and you got your 2 little cutouts right here. And the back of it is just plain straight black. Next, let's talk about these pants here. You know, the ones with the fake pockets. Not a fan of them. Fake pockets. Come on, why can't I have real pockets? What's the big deal with that? Super, super stretchy and soft and comfortable. Like, the fabric is just like so slippery and smooth. I love that. Not having pockets is a big deal breaker for me. I'm a huge pocket type person. The high-waisted which I like. I like high-waisted pants, and they fit very well. The only thing I don't like, okay, not only thing, another thing I don't like is the waistband. The elastic in the waistband is independent from the pants, and so as I was trying them on, the elastic actually flipped and twisted in the waistband, so then I had to go and untwist it. And, yeah, not a fan of these. These will definitely be sent back. This top, it's right. I actually put on a dark bra to see if you could see through it, and I can kind of see the bra through it. Yep, it's picking up on camera. So if you don't want your bra showing, you'd have to wear a skin-colored bra so it doesn't show through the shirt. The back is super cute. I like the ruching on it. It is a little bit too snug for me, so if I were to keep this top, I would want to size up, probably just one size. Otherwise, it is very soft. This next dress is the emerald green Calvin Klein dress, and again, the light shining on it is making it look a little bit lighter than what it actually is. Very soft, smooth dress, and it does have a little bit of a stretchy give to it. I do like how it just kind of like skims the body, kind of hides all the lumps and bumps that might be happening. It's a nice length just above my knees. I am a longer dress type person. I don't like to go much above my knees. Otherwise, I think it fits pretty well. Next I have this green, the t-shirt dress one. It's like an olive army green type of a color. I really love the length of it and how it scoops up. The fit is wonderful. I don't know. I'm not, like, these dresses always look good until I put them on and I'm like, oh, you can see my tummy. And then it makes me feel self-conscious about my midsection. And that's one area that I really struggle with. Almost stepped on my dog. Yeah, it's one area where I struggle with being very self-conscious about. So I like shirts and dresses that kind of hide this area instead of accentuating it. And to me, it just really kind of accentuates this area. So it would be a no for me. And my last item is this kind of salmon colored dress with the palm leaves on it. I really like this style. It's nice and flowy at the bottom. It's super soft in a very comfortable dress. Very cute. I like the back. My issues with this dress are it's awkwardly big in my armpits. Like, I have these like weird flaps because it's like awkwardly big right here, but small here. So it like squishes me flat here in the chest area, but then it has like a lot of room in the armpits. So I don't know what kind of person, what shape person this is made for. Around the waist, it's very fitted, very almost too snug, almost as if I would need to go up to another size. In the hips and then on, of course it fits me well. I really like the whole idea of the dress.